Korean researchers at the Pasteur Institute of Korea screened 48 drugs, among those already approved by the FDA for other uses, for potential benefits for treating coronavirus infection. A study published in the American Society of Microbiology Antimicrobial Agents and Chemotherapy journal found that 2 drugs are effective against the culprit of the COVID-19 pandemic, at least in cell culture. The authors tested the preparations on a standard model cell line isolated from African green monkey kidney cells, which are commonly used to grow viruses for vaccine production. Having the FDA approval in place will help greatly speed up bureaucratic procedures and quickly launch drugs if they prove to be clinically effective against COVID-19 in treatment protocols. An anthelmintic drug called niclosamide, according to scientists, showed very strong antiviral activity against SARS-CoV-2. Previously, the authors write, its broad-spectrum antiviral effect has been well documented in the literature, including efficacy against SARS and MERS, the closest relatives of the new coronavirus. The disadvantage of niclosamide is low absorption, which reduces the strength of the drug, since a small part of the dose reaches the target tissues, and increasing dosage increases toxicity. According to the report of scientists, it is necessary to look for ways to effectively deliver the necessary doses of the drug to the target cells. If you manage to come up with a way to do this, it can be a breakthrough. The second drug from the study, the inhaled corticosteroid cyclosinide, used to treat asthma and allergic rhinitis, despite the significantly lower antiviral activity, also showed promising results against SARS-CoV-2. According to the authors, an earlier work of this year showed that the viral protein called NSP15 is the molecular target of the drug. With its proven anti-inflammatory activity, cyclosinide can act as a potent drug that can play a dual role, antiviral and anti-inflammatory, in the fight against SARS-CoV-2 infection, the researchers conclude. Anti-inflammatory activity can play a crucial role in attenuating or preventing a cytokine storm, an excessive immune inflammatory response that often causes the death of patients with COVID-19.